Stopping Tumblr email notifications? Hello everyone, welcome to How Logical. In this video, we're going to see how we can stop Tumblr email notifications. It's very easy. First of all, after heading to your dashboard of Tumblr, we can see settings on the left sidebar. Click on it. Now, to the right side, we have notifications. Click on it. Now figure out what email you don't want to receive from Tumblr. If it's Tumblr news, you can toggle this off. And if it is conversational notification, you can toggle this to off too. There's another settings you can change by clicking on this pencil icon. It says email you about new followers, new replies, and there are other options. Now you have stopped Tumblr from sending you email notifications. Thank you guys for watching. If you want future video updates like this, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye-bye.